Good evening, ma'am and my name is Michael B. Stanis and I'll be explaining the code of the water sensor na ginagamit sa mga activity. First is the define water pin. 54 which is defines the pin where the sensor signal is connected. And this line, ma'am, which is the raw value when the sensor is dry, and also this where the raw value of the sensor is wet. So this line, ma'am, which is the network name, and this is the network password. So this one is set LCD address to 0 times 17 16 columns and also 2 rows. Start this line kay mag-start siya sa start the web server sa port data port 280. So ang int storage for the uh, storage for the which could be storage kanang direct sensor number siya, ma'am. And also the input percent is equal to 0 storage for the converted 0 to 100% value, ma'am. And this line stated a switch can that turn on if the water is too high. Okay, the void read water level, which is using loop here, ma'am. Loop at 10 times and also add up 10 readings, and the raw value is equal to sum, which is getting the average, no? Get the average, uh, no. The water percent, so this line, the water percent is equal to water constraint 0 to 100. It's also mag-prevent siya sa value like kuan, ma'am, like 5% or 105%. This one kaning warning line, ma'am, kay ang water kay is 80% plus, then ang warning kay becomes true. So void row bar graph. Void row bar graph, nag-scale I'm scaling to 0 to 100% to 0 16 LCD blocks, ma'am. And also move to the bottom row, which is this part of my code. Moving to the bottom row and looping through all 16 columns now, and print all the full blocks and also the an empty blocks now. The void handle route, which is choose color based on warning status, and also creating a HTML code to send to your phone, and also tells browser to refresh every one, tells refresh, and also sends the web page to your browser. Yeah. This void setup, which is opens the computer monitor to for for which call this debugging, and also set the sensor pin as an input. Also the LCDN, which is starts the LCD, turns on the screen light, and saves custom character 0 and also 1. Um, the loop, usually I use the loop. Oh no, I word loop. With loop to get data, also update the LCD top row, and thirdly was one, update also the LCD bottom row, not only the top row, but they also the bottom. Checking also this part of the my code, ma'am, checking if someone is visiting the website. And I'll show you, ma'am, sa all this the output of my water sensor. Wait.